Very well, good morning. Today, let's talk about whether it's better to go public on the stock exchange or be friends with Lula. Which is worth more? So let's analyze the context of interest rates in the capital market. As is well known, the Selic rate is high right now. The bond pays 13, we're hitting that mark. Selic record so much so that fixed income is paying more, right? And the stock market is, for more than 3 years since the beginning of Lula's government, it has been declining. And if you look, companies are leaving the stock exchange. For example, gold left, I'll use it as an example. It also suffered because of the pandemic, but mainly because it doesn't get much government aid and pays a lot of taxes. Let's look at the scenario. So they went public. Went public, what does that mean? When you go public, you're going to have investors, if not your own partners. So when you go public, you don't pay interest. Instead, you share part of your company and split according to the contract the yields or profits with the shareholders. So what is globally or economically more viable would be to go public. However, in Brazil, we have a different scenario. I'm going to mention the technical side here. So you have access to BNDES and a range of tax incentives. If you are close to the government, the Lula government, you'll see companies like JBS, Odebrecht, Magazine Luiza, which benefited greatly. So in Brazil, to sum up, it's better to be friends with Lula. And now I'm going to give an option for the average citizen, the individual. So it's better to invest in the stock market or, for example, in the government. At this moment, here's what it says. Tesouro Direto pays 12% per year, and that's without risk. So in this way, it's also clear that right now, it's not so attractive in the short term, 4, 5, 10 years, to invest in the stock market, but rather to invest in Tesouro Direto. So I thank you very much for your attention, and we'll be here for our next discussion and so on. Possible analysis with the side defined.